Another Epic Flows production.
Yeah. What up? You know it's your boy Radical Epic. So the other day I was watching the Alkaline New Rules concert, right? And Alkaline be coming on stage and be like, yeah, you know, Vendetta was forward, dog. We got to check up this evening. Vendetta never catch no feelings. Yo. He be on stage, he be like, oosh. What it's like is fighting these niggas to be on stage, man. I don't know what was going on. It's like these niggas be trying to take the mic from a nigga, man. Or probably it was stepping on their toes. He was stepping on their toes, so he'll be like, oosh. What he should have been saying was push, and push and get some of these niggas on stage, man. Cause one guy performing and you got 50 niggas on stage. Now I understand that he needs a hype man. So it's two brothers and them waiting to see more than that song. They on stage with him, that was alright. That was alright, and the photographer, the videographer guy that was there, he was alright too, but what the other 49 people doing on stage, man? Some people on stage like was that a VIP section, man? Nah, they need to get another VIP section, man. Oosh.
It's epic out here.
Epic Flows production.
Radical Epic.
Epic
Zin,
Flows.
Leash, Big Bad Boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.